Hello everyone, it's Nikunj Gohil and I am here to help you learn about cybersecurity. Today we are diving into Hack This Site 7th challenge. We are on a mission to uncover a hidden password. So now let's talk about challenge itself. You can see here the password is hidden in unknown file and Sam has set up the script to display the calendar. What is the requirements talking? That is basic Unix command. So you require basic idea about Linux command. Now understand, it is telling that password file is hidden and there is some script to calendar. Let's go inside. So here you can see our mission is what? Uncover this hidden file. Which hidden file you can see? This time network security SAM has saved the unencrypted level 7 password in obscurely named file saved in this very directory. There are some different on let's say unwritten name directory and inside that the same is stored unencrypted password file. Till now what we done? Multiple lab we done where we find the password, sometime password in the comment, sometime password in the very good well-known file, but this time what? This time password is unpredictable file. And what? In other unrelated news, Sam has set up a script to return the output from the Unix calendar command. Okay, calendar, CAL. Now what? Unrelated. Obviously, if there is a password things, then why we require calendar? What the calendar will do? But the thing is what? If you have little bit idea about Linux, then command and script is what? Just a combination of order. If we write right order, that means what? Right command will get the right output. If we type wrong command, then obviously maybe file corrupt or maybe we'll get wrong output. So if you have little bit idea about calendar command, then what? Then we can understand other thing also. So you can see enter the year you wish to view and hit the view button. So it is what in background this script or this section having a calendar command. So if I type here let's say 2000 and click on view. So we'll see the calendar of 2000. So in background like Linux command is there. Okay. And for easy to explain you, I already started my one of the Ubuntu machine, Linux machine. There I can guide you more better way. So if I type CAL, calendar command not found, can be installed with the apt install. You can see any command, but here we have calendar command. So let's do this. Okay, it is just for installing. Verification. It is take only few seconds, don't worry. This is extra, okay? This is not part of solving lab, but I can guide you. So I am showing this Linux. Okay, just solving lab, I can put the solution. It's not like that. Here I am guiding you for becoming pro, from beginner to pro. Now again, CAL. And you can see calendar command working CAL. And by default, it is showing current running month and running year. Otherwise, CAL. And let's see if I type 2000. So I will see the 2000 calendar. I can make it small so you can see the proper better way. Character can see. Calendar I can see. So this is the script running here. Calendar command already there. And whatever year you are typing, that is taking as a second option. You can see here CAL. And whatever year I am typing, that calendar you are able to see. So now understand what we can do. We are able to type some other command also with this. If it is a section or script where we are able to see the command and it is telling it is a Unix calendar command. So in the Unix, we have the option that we can type a semicolon and we can type multiple command together. Let's say I'm typing here ls. That means what? First it will execute this cal command with the year 2000 and then it will also execute the ls command. And if you notice, we have upper side calendar, but in the downside you can see 1 and F1. If I run only ls, we'll see this output. That means when I run this command with the semicolon, so first command also execute with the semicolon, second command also execute. So that's the same thing we can do here. That it is a normal calendar command, and again if I click on the view, we can see the calendar, but at the end you can see nothing. So what I will do, let me try that with the semicolon and ls and view. So again we see the calendar, but let's go to downside. So you can see at the end we are able to see some different file, index.php, level7.php, calendar.pl, and some unpredictable file name. So coming back here, and if you notice here what this is by default file is index.php. Let me type here because index is the default page of the any website and file name mostly for index.html or index.php. It is the self page. If I type this, I am remaining here only. You can see same. I can see same way. If I type this 2000 and view, then I am here cl calendar.pl. Getting it? So again semicolon and ls. So what we notice here, this is our already challenge page and this is this calendar page what we are able to see here. So this two is not imported. Level 7.php we can try or we can try this. Obviously it is telling what that some untreated file name. So we'll try to do this. So what I will do, just copy this and instead of this calendar.pl try to type this file name because what both are in the same. I'm typing ls command. So whatever the calendar running in this same directory we are running this file. So what I done previously here you have calendar.pl. So I remove that because all file in the same directory. I'm typing this unread file name and just enter. And you can see here some word is written. Let's check this. So again copy this, coming back, and here the password, copy paste and submit. So congrats. Congratulations, you have successfully the lab. So our mission is what? That uncover the hidden password. And what we done? We think it like just solving puzzle and we'll break down step by step. So what? We discover the hidden password. And that's the fantastic accomplishment. Remember, this is all about learning by doing. Each challenge makes you a little bit wiser in the world of cybersecurity. That's a wrap up. If you want to give this challenge a try on your own, I will encourage to do it. Stay tuned for the next practical labs. Thanks for joining today. Feel free to ask or share your thoughts in comments. See you in the next video.